opportunity to urge the agencies of administration of justice, the Office of the IG, the Office of DCI, the Office of DPP, and internal security organs to investigate thoroughly and come to the root cause of who is kidnapping people and later they are found dead. The police say they are not the ones doing it. We want them to investigate and tell Kenyans who are these criminal elements in our midst who are unlawfully arresting people, causing their disappearance, and eventually they are found dead. We shudder to get back to any situation yenye tulikuwa tunapata miili katika River Yala na kwingine. Serikali ya Kenya Kwanza iliahidi na inazingatia respect for human rights. So IG, DCI, DPP ambaye ni kijana yetu kutoka hapa Kakamega, lazima mufanye uchunguzi wa kina na kwa haraka iwezekanavyo, ili tukomeshe hii mambo ambayo inaleta jina mbaya kwa nchi yetu.